And so in October 2024, there was a 2.7% increase in remittances. Ano ang total, Rapi?
Which is $3.42 billion. So, konti na lang. Although nasa December na tayo, and then lagi naman hindi pa nako-consolidate ang hindi naman updated yung consolidation. So by January or February, mid-February, lalaman na natin yung total contribution ng ating mga OFWs sa taong ito. So usually nag-hit yan ng mga 5 to 7 billion. Sana tumaas pa ng 8 billion. Kasi yan yung ginagamit natin para sa mga projects ng ating gobyerno at sa kung saan-saan pa.
Okay, of course, ang comparative is with September, it's 3.34 billion as against 3.42 billion ba? For October. Of course, ang mga figures na ito, basically tracking and in alignment with the month-on-month increase in remittances. So far for the first, so far for the 10 months past, ending in October, okay, ang percent of increase is 3%. 3, na? So